Welcome back to Tabmydata. Today, I'm walking you through the Orderbook Heatmap, how to launch it, set it up, and tune it to your trading style. Let's dive in. Let's start by opening the tab. From your Workspace toolbox, click on Orderbook Heatmap, and the full interface loads right up. Make it yours. You can switch the tab color, choose a custom skin, and resize the tab itself to fit your layout. Small tweaks, big difference in how comfortable your workspace feels. Next, pick your main coin. Click the selector and choose your pair. The heatmap starts streaming live data the moment you select it. Now connect the exchanges and assets. Pick a single exchange, or stack several together for a wider, aggregated view of the market. More exchanges means a deeper liquidity picture. The filter is where the magic happens. Adjust the color ranges, tweak the price intervals, or open the settings and drag things manually until the heat map reads exactly the way you want it. Here's the killer feature. Hover your mouse over any candle, and you'll see the liquidity broken down by every single exchange you connected. No more guessing where the volume is actually sitting. And that's the Orderbook Heatmap. Open your workspace, launch the tab, and trade with real clarity. See you in the next one.